Colorado Center for the Blind. Take charge with confidence and self-reliance.
Okay, so when you have just 2 gears, right, if you spin your input axle clockwise, what's going to happen to your output axle? You guys can like mess around with the gears and stuff and see what happens. We've got some gears in there, in that bin. Since it's a smaller wheel, the circumference is smaller than on the bigger wheel. So when that's the case, every rotation that the big wheel goes, the small wheel still has to go at that same speed, or same rotation. One rotation for one rotation, right? But since that wheel is smaller, it doesn't go as far.
Doesn't the circumference mean like how far it goes?
The circumference is
Around it, right?
around the edge of the circle. Yeah. So basically, yeah, in one rotation, it will move it's the length of its circumference.
I'm gonna
Wait,
start
do I want to put this
Okay.
like that?
Okay.
So-
I think so, but I think these
There,
wheels
that
are
side is solved again.
like try holding it
Okay.
straight.
Yeah, so that when the robot
So-
went to move, it wouldn't.
If we do a set of moves that move 2 edges, that it just switches 2
It's
edges
very professional.
on the top layer that we're trying to solve.
Mm-hmm.
Was I solved from the bottom?
Did it.
So I consider the top layer the unsolved layer, right? So if we
So
No,
you do it by
no.
layers of 3, not by
But I
size.
get this thing on there.
if this is the front of the robot, right?
Yeah.
We'll flip it over. Right now they're in the same orientation. And so we'll just put this motor right on there like that.
What do you think, Allie?
Scary.
But you're doing it, right? Are you holding the match? No.
Yes, you are.
Yes, you are.
Oh,
It
it
Oh my
smells
goodness,
good.
it lit out.
That's a big one too.
Oh, that smells good.
Now, was there anything to worry about there?
No.
It's still going. Aren't you excited? Yeah, the sound's pretty classic.
Right?
How long will it take for the whole thing to?
I just dropped a block of dry ice. The thing that I just melted that into, and it was making that singing noise. I just took the coins and all that and just threw it in that thing of water. So once that's done sublimating out, I'll have my coins in the bottom that I can pull out.
So think back to that model, and when we stuck those noodles together, they made these shapes that were sort of circular, right? And there were like holes in them, little pores where we could put stuff. So that's going to be the property of these cross-linked polymers that we're going to sort of exploit for our uses. Some of you have already felt it, but you can reach in and feel it. This is safe to touch.
Is it salt or sugar?
And it feels like maybe salt or sugar, but it's not either one.
No.
No? Okay, so in order to figure out what's so cool about this powder, you've got to add some water. So you guys all still have the little squirt bottles of water on your trays. And I want you to just go ahead and squirt a little bit of water and then feel what happened. And if it doesn't seem like it changed much, add some more water.
What? That's weird.
Oh, whoa.
Where's the squirt
Oh,
bottle?
Alright, there we go. So it should kind of spiral around a little bit on the bottom. And in there, you can feel the whirlpool on the top.
That's cool. Oh, that is cool.
Oh wow, that is
It's like
cool.
spinning.
Weird.
Is it better than just water?
So why is it spinning like that?
So it spins the same reason that it does at the bottom of your drain.
Yeah, you can leave it just like that. And then what you want to do is if you can use your other hand and feel the tip of the straw here, where the water comes out, and just kind of touch that to the pH meter. There you go. And then you can squeeze the bottle, and it should just wash down the pH meter. But now that you've rinsed it, you can go ahead and put it in the first test tube, the one on the left. There you go. And then you want to go ahead and click that button on your LabQuest to make it start talking
Tell
to
me
you.
when you put it in, okay?
Okay.
Tell me when it's in.
So you can kind of hear that the pH is changing. Okay, so it's an acid-base reaction, so we know it should be neutralizing. But the fun thing about this particular acid-base reaction is we get a product that's pretty cool. So what I want you guys to do is go ahead and take the lid off your bottles And now don't dump the baking soda in yet, okay? But I want you to wrap the balloon around the lip of the bottle, around the neck, and then I want you to use your fingers to make, your finger and your thumb to make kind of a ring, which you're gonna use to kind of hold the balloon on the neck, just so it doesn't pop off. So once it's on there and you think it's stable, you can grab that sort of the powdered end of the balloon and tip it up so that the powder falls in. Make sure you're holding the balloon on.
Oh, jeez.
There you go.
That's so cool.
And then feel the balloon.
Oh, that's so cool.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Size them to hold the balloon.
So
Yeah, and then you can let it go.
we started with a liquid and a solid, and we made a product that's a gas. This is one of our primary signs of a chemical reaction. If you produce a gas that wasn't there before, that's a chemical reaction. That means you're taking two different things and making something totally new.
To learn more about the Colorado Center for the Blind, visit our website at www.cocenter.org or call 303-778-1130.